IRESS platform, if we just take a little look at that. Now, the IRESS suite is something quite special. It allows you to trade Forex and CFDs, and it's particularly excellent when it comes to trading shares. It gives you access to online trading, and there's 3 platforms available to you, which include the IRESS Investor, the Irs Trader, and the IRESS Viewpoint platforms. So this is the IRESS Viewpoint with some of the key features. You're looking at the advanced charting, high performance tools, and it is compatible for Windows or Mac. Then we're looking at the Irs Trader. This is the direct market access system for you. It is also a web-based platform, and it gives you connection to a multitude of different exchanges. It gives you live news flows as well, and everything you need to maintain your trading advantage. You can also set up your own alerts here too. Plus advanced charting, as you can see, across 59 technical indicators, drawing tools, and loads of instruments. The investor platform is, of course, for the investor rather than the trader, which allows you to incorporate hedging strategies and diversification and so on, as you can see here. And of course, you can use IRESS Mobile. IRESS offers you the ability to trade with a live account or with a demo account. An opening account is fairly simple. It can be done quite easily. Simply download and install the MT4, or of course log in to the web trader. But first of all, you'll need to fill out the form for the demo account. And once you decide to go to the real account, you will of course need to verify yourself by uploading identification documents. If you have any questions at any time, you can speak to the company directly or email them. And of course, the website is available in a whole variety of languages. Let's now look at the web trader platform. Great. So having worked my way through the demo account opening stages, I now am able to go into the MT5. I had my choice of the MT4 or the MT5 accounts, and here I am. So from here, I'm able to sell and buy directly from the chart. I can also, of course, open a trading position from the list of symbols on the left-hand side. So in order to do that, I select the type of order I want, pending order or market execution. Of course, the symbol I want to trade, the volume that I'd like to trade, so I can do that through here. If I'd like to implement any stop loss or take profit, any fill policy, and of course any comment that I'd like to put next to the order, and then I can simply sell or buy by market, and that is done. So once you've opened that position, that will then appear at the bottom of the screen. You can then close that by simply clicking on the X symbol, and that's one click trading enacted there, and okay. So that window will only pop up once to ask me if I'd like to do one click trading, and then I can close that trade. And I can of course buy directly from here, so I can sell and buy with just one click, select the amount of lots I'd like to trade, and simply one click trading, and it's there. Bear in mind that at any time I can speak to live support for any questions I might have. So the live support is very, very quick. It's pretty amazing. And I'm just going to show you how good the team in customer service are here. Just give me a second. And while I'm waiting for them to connect me with somebody, which usually takes around 1 minute, I'm just going to type them a message. Can I get IRESS platform on a demo account? And that's it. That's the dealing desk I'm in touch with there. That took me literally 40 seconds to get in touch with them. And look at the response. It's almost instant. Whereas some of the brokers leave you hanging there. And then I'm just going to close that and go back to the platform. And so you can see here, these are where you can find your indicators. So you can add these, of course, onto your charts. And there's a whole bunch of different indicators you can access through here. Now, bear in mind that with the MT5, unlike the MT4, You cannot use EAs, expert advisors, for automated trading, so you will need to still do that with the MT4, and you can't use hedging with the MT5, whereas you can with the MT4. So here's a list of other things you can do here. You've got your trend lines and so on available through there. These are the parameters you can change in your charts, the type of charts, the volume charts, zoom in, zoom out, and of course one-click trading, which we enacted earlier on. And if I want to switch over to the MT4 account, I can do that through here. I can also log into a live trading account or open up a different demo account. So here I've got the MT4, the MT5, which I can open. And so here we are looking at the IRESS Trader now. This is a really superb platform. It is, in fact, direct market access to a whole bunch of different trading types and exchanges too. It gives you full market depth, an in-house charting system with live news flows, as we're going to see in just a moment, and really everything you need to trade the markets for CFDs, indices, and hundreds of different stocks as well. Bear in mind this platform is compatible to Windows or Mac, as it is a web trader, so you don't need to download any technology. It also gives you a highly customizable interface and access to market heat map. Plus you can set your own alerts on trade executions and news too. The charting features themselves include 59 different technical indicators. So if we just have a look at this is the foreign exchange trading page where all of the symbols are available from up here. This is the foreign exchange trading panel of the site, so you can see all of your charts are available. You can open different charts for different assets, and we mentioned the 59 different indicators. We have the list available to you down here. If you've saved any charts, you can get them through the load button. And of course, you can change your time frame and the type of charts you're looking at from here. You can also compare side by side two different charts. So here's all the symbols on the foreign currencies, and also you've got access to a variety of different stocks down here as well. So you can check out your portfolio. So this is a summary of all your details. And because this is customizable, this means any of this can be dragged and dropped and shut. And you can do so much here. Looking at market depth here. And of course, there's another chart here. And this is your watch list. So these are all the assets you've set aside to keep an eye on for yourself. And you've got the charts on this page as well, plus tutorials and weekly videos, plus streaming news is available from here. You can execute trades from this page as well. So this is the execution page, and the buy and the sell button are open on any section of the platform itself. So you can simply search for your security and place a buy order through there, or you can do it directly from the charts, and you can add more charts and of course compare existing charts and keep a note of exactly what's going on buying and selling through the order pad. So as you can see, there is a lot to look at on this platform. It is much more in depth than the MetaTrader and perhaps more suited for the advanced trader. But even for beginner traders, if you practice with the demo trading platform and learn how it works, this really is a magnificent piece of technology, and the in-depth charting is quite spectacular too.